啊！天哪！还要重录一次这个我们所谓的影片。今天要干嘛？找到冰尸体的地方，跟受害人聊聊。哦，跟被强奸的人聊一下天。找到女工的丈夫。啊，现在几点？12点整。啊，昨天错过的事情就是，没有阐述我们这个主角获得有趣衣服的过程。对着一个警察说：“那我是警察，我有几个问题想问你。”来看一下可以干嘛好了。好，这是我们主角一开始会住的旅店。现在剧情大概发展到一个所谓案件已经快要曝光，但是还不知道什么时候会有新对话的剧情。其实简单来说就是我卡关了，那因为我现在想要甩掉我的小伙伴，晚上的时候才可以去把妹，所以我得耗过这9个小时。神秘动物学家莫雷尔。找点酒喝，魔法就会自动产生。找出那个女司机是谁，丢滚球的替代品。找点烟抽，这个任务到现在还解不了，麻烦。现在先来回去找一下关键的角色。这游戏里面大部分的时候，这个城镇里面的人都在抗议，不知道在抗议啥小。想要去找一个很废物的废物，他就是所谓的工会，然后工会赞助了大家，要给大家钱，可以让他们罢工，希望每个人都可以成为公司的股东。这想法真的非常的左派哦。来找一下，他在哪里来的？哦，应该是在这里吧。不知道今天找他会不会有什么不一样的状况？因为我每隔一天我都会有点忘记自己找到哪里。你看，臭肥猪。
Mr. Dubois, I hear them meeting with Tac now. What can Everard Clare do for you today?
哦干，要我签名卖掉我的城镇，不可能。这家伙每天只想要我签名。简单来说，我们现在跟他的关系就是他希望我们帮忙签名，可以在镇上盖一点东西，但我就是不想。没有人喜欢被当成社会的走狗。还是有啦，给多一点钱的话，就愿意当社会的走狗。这个门不知道可不可以重复尝试一下打开。
You're back before the cargo container. Its draw has not lessened since you were last here.
为什么打开一扇门需要用到能言善道？不懂。能言善道。践行游说之道。尽享严谨话术，这跟现实生活中的我有点太像，但还是可以尝试一下。哦，好烦哦！在现实生活中也下雨，里面也下雨的话，这样我干嘛还打游戏
？This is the night.
安邦克斯，生命值较低，将技能分配在钢铁筋骨上。可是我感觉这游戏的生命值还蛮激烈的。我不会跟别人打架的话，我怎么会损失我的生命呢
？What a wandering man.
哦，昨天的高潮点就是简单来说，我得到了一个新房子。来回顾一下好了，因为这游戏的剧情大概就是发生在这个城镇上，那大家都很忧郁。这是台北，然后台北发生了一起我们所谓的谋杀案，然后现在我们要调查那个谋杀案是谁杀的。基本上杀人的人已经确认了，但是就是要给他们，因为你知道你被统治阶级打压，所以你不能逮捕他们。这警察就是这么的废物，干，亏我还是个双薪荣誉刑警。然后，所以你就只能透过在街上调查，去发现这个小镇的秘密，然后走一个我不知道会怎么样的结局。能言善道，可怜又贫穷的祖母出卖女司机，然后说服她给我钱。我真的很希望不知道为什么她都不给我钱啊！我先去跟那个几百小孩买一下裤子好了，因为有个小孩子想要买我裤子，但是他卖我15块，有点贵。我现在想到，我昨天走回来就是为了跟那个小孩买裤子啊，因为那小孩卖我15块，你知道住一个晚上的旅馆要20块，我现在才26块钱，拜托。
Kuno's like Kuno's dad. For the fuck him. Good thing you asked the Kunmeister.
哎呦，干这个小屁孩竟然有他妈的冰箱我可以把这个尸体冰起来了。我一定要回答，我就知道你可以。
But what's in it for the Kuno? What's the return on Kuno's investment?
昆诺大人透露消息：一个没有尸体的院子里，难道没有公民中原好迷信的先生？不能表现得太急，你知道吗？我觉得表现得太急，通常对方就会觉得他占据优势。
Kuno's got everything Kuno needs.
Can't buy Kuno,
干，
pig.
好吧。
Kuno's clock's not due.
Don't believe him, Kuno.
干，废物。
He just wants to use your fridge.
哦，干，昆明尊严会降低耶。竟然成功了。杀了，有人在公然挑，竟然是这种理由可以让他愿意冰我的尸体吗？某个傲慢的白痴可以未经，哇靠！这个回应很聪明，不愧是我。
All right, Kuno hears you. See that shit house over there?
A cold comes over you as you glance behind him.
You gotta get in that shit. In there, deep.
哇，深入进去，
Check the fucking basement, pig. There's a giant fridge down there. Fucking will fit, no problem. Through the bookstore. You gotta beg the book bitch. Used to be you could get in there through the doorbell, jam that
通
shit.
过书店。
Book bitch changed that. Kuno doesn't beg, so Kuno doesn't go there anymore. Yeah, book bitch.
He means the bookstore. We have to ask. Plaisance is the
Impressive note-keeping.
See, the cloud gets it. Listen to your four-eyed friend, then try again. Kuno's not your brain slave. You didn't hear it from Kuno, pig.
Kuno owns you now, pig.
不知道我买他的裤子会不会跟他有一点联系？他裤子蛮强的，鬼祟玲珑，强身体健呢，好像很鬼哦。
We've found now. Performance buddies. Kuno can already see you. So Kuno doesn't.
干，我穿一个运动裤来办案，干超强。哦，这裤子，哇，太 pussy 了，哇，这哦。
The lieutenant adjusts his glasses and takes a deep breath.
五感发达才可以。这东西可以检查了。
You see a set of tire tracks in the brown slush that covers the plaza mosaic. Hard to say. Cop habit. This isn't case-related, you think?
哦，见微知著。
No. These tracks are not interesting at all. Let the streets.
啊，干！就让清洁工把它扫掉。我要来打电话看看。
An old
关门
Corbox
铃，
with
干
a
不行。
matrix of
要去找书店店员。 不到我竟然成功了，对吗？征服昆诺就是这么的简单。
Hello again, esteemed officer, and welcome to fridge. No, I don't know anything about it.
For whatever reason, she's lying to you about the fridge.
干废物啊，那我要怎么过去？
A heavy door with a missing handle stands before you, covered in dozens, if not hundreds, of little oddly shaped
我直接用
trinkets
撞了把它
and
撞爆。
charms. It appears to be locked.
哎、靠，92%还可以失败。
You smash into the wood and see a small crack
物
appear on
质
the
界
door
之
frame.
物
It's
质界
going
之
to
顶
take。
You're not thinking of trying again, are you?
水哥，这就是我要的哦。啊，你又想
What
跟我
is
讲
this
什么话？
place?
这看起来
Yes,
像健身
but
房。
no one's been here in ages. I doubt the electricity still works.
An eerie feeling rises in your chest.
Yes, because it's no need to look for supernatural.
哎，我没有拿手电筒吗？我怎么记得我有拿？啊！我的手电筒呢？被他放回去了，干臭婊子！
You broke down the back door, the wards, the door. It's all gone now. Dark
干，
side,
谁叫你
I
不帮我开
suppose.
门？
It's all over now. Just a door. This place is curse detected. I hope you're happy now. Happy that you've ruined everything. Now that you've broken the door, the curse is coming to get me as well. Of
Huh.
course you didn't. You're not all right. You know what? I'm willing to let you investigate the do.
Her facade has dropped. Now you see the curiosity.
But before we go on, tell me, did you encounter the malignant entity?
哈哈，我要来骗他一下吗？这有点靠边。好了，我
You
要来
did?
耍
Then
笨。
it has to be true. I've suspected that this woman-shaped
我
energy
怀疑
must
你
be
第一次
connected
看
to the
见他
curse
时，他就
ever
已经跟
since I
主角
first saw
是
her.
你有看见这
Did
个
you see that she lives inside the chimney?
当然了，烟囱是天堂与地狱之间的通道，现在一切都说得通了。好了，不要骗这个书店店员。
No. This chimney is part of the building's central furnace. Some unnatural magic, I assume. You should go find the entity and ask what happened to all the...
我操，他真的相信有诅咒哎！干，这就是，这就是我不知道该说什么。如果路上有个人跟你说干他相信有诅咒，我真的会不知道该怎么跟他讲话。
Inside, you see a set of steering levers, a radio microphone,
耶！
a
我
pull-out
要拿
This is
起
precinct 57. How may I assist?
啊，没有
57.
新
In
的
the
人可以
cabin,
打电
you
话。
see
可恶
a metallic drawer. It's
为什么
robust.
我刚没
Lets
拿
you
手
see
电筒啊？
things in the dark. The pull-out toolbox slides back into its nest. Preheater gauge casts a warm glow on the.
Oh yeah, man！ 来，我们的手电筒，我看超亮。No business will ever leave there without going background. Promise player. 哦，反正就是我答应他要找那个啦。然后我拿着手电筒，它前面就一定会那么亮吗？那我随便照人可以吗？真？哦，它是跟着滑鼠动，哎，好酷哦！干这么酷的手电筒，他妈的，为什么我不早点拿？走向这个被我撞破的大门，他其实可以给我一支钥匙，但他没给我啊！我现在跟他讲话。
Yes.
可恶，这是钱。哦，我拿到铁球了，可以给路边的老人玩。 为我在第一天的时候不小心把路边的老人的
A
铁球
barbell
丢到
lies on the
丢到
floor.
河里面了。
The color has worn off its 60 kilograms.
60公斤重的杠铃，你的三头可以照自己的
Show the
照自己
world
的
what kind
身
of
体。
beast it's dealing with. Lift. Why does it feel so familiar?
干举起杠铃看起来很难欸。
No, it's not that. It's the stale smell of
果然
rocks.
我是个
Just
废
a
物。
memory from another
哦
life.，
难道我穿运动裤可以比较容易举起来吗？来试试看。
The barbell waits patiently on the floor.
干，高
like a
性能
dog
举
for
重
its
手套，不然我再换个那个，好像不行哎、我就没有更多强身健体的东西吗？还是我嗑个药？算了，不尝试这个会失败的东西。干，等一下我的脚被压断，再看一次好了。它是白色
The
尝试吗？
barbell waits
这种白色
patiently
鉴
on
定
the
可以一直
floor
重复使
like a
用，不然
dog
我就
for
来
its
举一
master.
下这个60公斤的杠铃看看。哎、一个警探举不起60公斤的杠铃，很怪吧？果然，废物就
You
是废
manage to
物。
hoist it off the ground, but the barbell feels wobbly and dangerous.
感觉
See?
不知道。
See? This place is cursed.
不可以怪别人啊，这就是自己的问题啊。这种时候我就会开始自
Proper
吹啊。
weightlifting gloves would definitely afford a better grip.
哦，这句话是暗示有更好的手套。Yeah, man。干。所以，哦，干好暗哦。哦。好。干是小鹿斑比的。让你想到的刀片，干跟我想要的，它是不是翻译翻错啊？哦，这声音好诡异哦，有点恐怖哎。这有钱吗？哎、有哎，干水哥，展示用的衣服到哪里去了？干真的，啊没有展示用的衣服就要用皮，哎、又有钱哎，干赞！一直拿钱，一直拿钱，一直拿钱，一直拿钱。这是什么？这一段戴着耳机听很不舒服，不知道在荧幕前的你，如果不知道是谁啊，听不听得
Your
出来？
flashlight slides over an old green chalkboard. Some of the writing has faded with age, but you can still make out sections here and
这种
there.
时候我一定先看
These
画，
lithe, pointy-eared creatures appear to be different types of
他拍画的
welkins.
蛮好的
You。make out autumnal, translucent welkins with organs shining
以太
under
精
this.
灵
Who are all those creatures? You should adopt one of those
应
welkins
该选
as
择
your
其中一个精灵
persona.
作为您的人物角
No
色，作为一
longer
个
a
普
mere
通
man.
人类，
One
而
of
是
the
精灵。
welkins,
有一个
towering
精灵比
among
其
the
他都要
rest,
高，好像不太重要。
appears to be different, however.
哦，很
It's
重要啊，废
Vara
话。
Hamira, a
哇
high
靠，
welkin,
画面起来
his。face white and scarred like cracked marble.
Alien.
This is clearly the Haldor, the Twarg, the humans, and even
An inordinate amount of time has gone into drawing these little welking creatures.
其中有一个精灵是精灵至上主义者，我也觉得。
Political commentary. This looks like concept art for a project. It's not really real. Some people really like building a world. Just look at those details.
and for what? Or the photo collage depicts barren, icy land. Entire oceans have been frozen from shore to
建
shore.
立在河
There are
川干
pictures of
枯。
you see primitive oil rigs built into
那是
glaciers.
北方矮人
Boreal
的杰
Ford,
作，
yurts
白雪
under
覆
the
盖下的
snow.
圆顶，还有巨
Orchids
大
in
猛
dark
犸象
cold.。
尽管
This
用黑又
vision
冷，这
also
幅景
feels
象得到一种
cozy in its
像是
own
蛋
way.
酒或者是吗啡，这才是我要的短暂的喘息啊！
A much needed pinned postcard reads. The
热
heat
极
death
设想
scenario.
围热而挣脱了
A desperate
太阳
fight
引力
for
的束缚，
geothermal
向宇宙
energy
流浪而去
engulfs，the
为了争
world
夺地
as
热能
Wirral
量。
becomes untethered
一
from
场
its
孤
sun,
注能量的
drifting through the universe.
Okay.
This is a monthly calendar. Everyone is constantly teetering on the edge of the abyss. An abyss of production. These
哦
squares look
这个叫做
orderly,
恐惧
but
面板，
beneath them is chaos,
太恐惧了。
worry. As time goes on, the number,
Looks like they didn't make it.
a note in the bottom, the handwriting is only part
打进来，掉
legible,
出去，
but
自由为
you
热
can，
宇宙热级理
outside
论。
a cold
啊，这没有，这好歹也给个经验值或内化吧。
This appears to be some kind of
某种
machine
机器
with
耶
a cube-shaped heart and a wired framework. The
为什么
keyboard has a rectangular
这光照
on-off
不进
button.
去？
A piece of paper still hangs from the printer.
键盘上有一个长方形的
A
开
radio
启。
computer. Just sitting here without anyone in. But we are looking for a fridge, and
On the other hand, it's not that I'm not interested in abandoned radio computers.
感这种时候我就不会问他，我一定开在
The
他。
machine lights up like some prehistoric animal stirring from its slumber, revealing fluorescent plate. It's empty like a beehive, with the filament you have would fit perfectly inside the compartment. Like a smooth drawer, the filament slides into place. On the bar of fabric right above the... Have you stirred the ghost of the doomed commercial? Oh no. It was already glowing and now it's also making a sound. The static gets louder.
Good afternoon. Fortress accident en rue de... Please repeat. Is this the production schedule? Yes, I am alive. I am 7.
she repeats passwords. Programming people are all paranoid.
I work as a repeater at the... As for me, well...
On an island on the river Esperance, a small woman, all skin and bones, sits in a room filled with audio equipment. That doesn't it get lonely? Sitting there all by
做这份
herself.
工作不会觉得孤独吗？
Lonely?
That's why she does.
Now please tell me the reason the filament you have
生产
inserted
计划
into
是
the
什么？你是说
reader.
那个发光的东西吗？
Yes.
它是生
Is
产
that
计
the
划。
production schedule?
我当然不知道啊。
If you are unsure, could you open the hatch on the compartment?
它就叫生产计划。
You should ask her for a hint.
密码哦。
No. Still no. I am contractually obliged to protect the privacy of the filament
如果没
folder
有零克
for
尔伊的搜
accident
查案，那我
without
打开
filing a
它。
warrant would lead.
I'm afraid we are not doing that.
Now, can you please repeat the password? Received.
That sounds bad.
哇，
A
登录
login
尝试。
attempt. Something. Don't worry.
Fortress accident. Is there any Fortress accident? Is the company on whose name the term? One moment. Fortress accident. SCR.
无线
Produces
电游戏，
revolutionary.
这个是游戏
Any。other questions? Thank
OK
you.
Tiles on
OK。
the cube are still smoldering. Nothing happens.
啊，可惜了。哎，
Tiles on the... This old fireplace is a diagram for
用
someone
来
in
召
some
唤
time
某种
forgotten
时间
beacon.，
这听起来很克
The
苏鲁
symbol seem radio frequencies, it seems.
UK
UKV, unclear. It looks like a cardiovascular system split into veins and
它
capillaries.
是心血
Very
管系统
advanced.
分裂成静脉、毛细，很先进。所以我们现在是在，我把游戏的声音调小声一点好了。好，所以我们现在是在处理医学问题。
You think so? The web is looks like a surveillance
监
program.
控游戏。哦，
Someone the leader of a massive on-air game. But
大统
whoever
领。
decides to all of this is gone. There's no way a little basement studio.
My God. It's as if the less money they had, the schedule. I know doom when I see it. The company was running out of funding.
Nothing. It's just lying.
那就是一个做游戏做到没钱的故事。啊，他要问什么？
Okay. What do you think is going on with that computer, chalkboard, and fireplace?
有人想用科学技术驱除诅咒，我觉得看起来蛮有道理的。你如果你做了这么多事情，然后你画了一些精灵，画了一些血管，听起来蛮像要用技术驱除诅咒。因为你如果是反介田城市，刚刚那个密码太怪了，失败的生意，我觉得不可能。
No, that's not it. It looks like one of those popular
流行的
pen and
纸
paper
笔
role-playing
角色
games.
扮演游
Only
戏。
these people were trying.
Utter madness, he thinks,
哇哦！
as a compliment.
哇哦，我本来我的结语就跟他一样干。他们打
Through
算怎么
calling
办？
stations,
通过
none
玩
of the
电
players have to
电
be
话
physically
站。
present. Then there's to be a
Wow.
master frequency that listens in.
His fascination
这是一个
swept
电话
aside other
TRPG
concerns
游
for
戏
the，
诶，
moment.
应
He's
该
a little.
这世界上要有人做这个游戏啊
They，make
对
automated
不对？
games in Gra,
不然
Messina,
不然怎么
Königstein.
办？
You know, places with industry.
这个字被挡住
But I
了
don't。think anyone has attempted to create an interisolary game. Indeed, those Welkins are a dead giveaway. Role-playing people love that stuff. The world looks like a modified version of the We World board game. No idea. They stopped. Indeed, it's ambitious and untethered from reality, but...
这个世界冰冷又孤寂，这个能与它作伴，让我们完
It's
成
too
它
late for
吧。
that, I'm afraid. Okay, let's keep...
哈，他不让我完成它，好难过。看一下。啊，对，我其实想要买一个，我其实蛮想要买个买个地图，但是一直忘记。刚刚到书店里面，我明明就有钱买地图，然后把钱拿去买裤子。OK。哦，又有钱了，还得到了每一片。哎，什么声音？为什么？哦，因为我拿两个东西。
You see a terrifying. This ice bear is a hyper carnivore. A gust of freezing cold air rushes. The lieutenant takes a peek inside. His hand has found the holster of his gun.
Of course. A giant ice... Just what
这是
we
一
were
台
looking for.
The
好
shelves
恐
are
怖的冰
empty.
箱。
All you see are crumpled ice cream wrappers with
对
the
象
brand
对
name
哦，
Revachol Ice City. A handwritten note has been attached to the door. The fridge.
把门上的
You
便条
pocket the
先拿
note
下来。
and the little fridge magnets keeping it on the door. A friendly
检查一下。
cartoon bear smiles back at you from a
感觉
glossy
有点靠北。
cellophane wrapper. It looks nothing like the fridge.
对啊，
Good
为什么
question.
这里会有一个
It
冰
looks
箱
like？an ice cream fridge. I know. What is even worse?
难怪会
The
倒，
bear
这
is
这么恐
still
怖。
costing them money to this day.
The fridge buzzes with energy,
It's certainly an eccentric choice, but it is.
but the optics on this are awful.
Shall we go and get the body then? I'll take the head.
The two of you. The body is heavier than you expected and stinkier. It takes half an hour to get the pan from the butcher. Then 10 more minutes to stuff it into the fridge.
我操，这个
The lieutenant takes a step back to admire your handiwork.
这一段塞这个尸体的音效大到好像我真是塞尸体一样，好疯哦，
Beautiful.
超大
A
声。
dead body in a nice bear fridge.
You've definitely earned a drink after this. Perhaps even some pagan rites.
哇哦，这他揪我一起喝酒，当然要
I knew
这
you
一
would
定要
say
揪
that.
他的酒。
I knew this would lead to drinking. No, no more.
He means it. He doesn't want to be the ice bear cop.
好吧，不想喝就不要喝啊。
As impressive as the fridge is, at least we've stopped the body from decomposing further.
Inside the icy realm of the ice bear fridge, the corpse.
Shoot, Looney Rooney.
秀，
Oh, yes,
我可以跟
Kobo
尸体对
Milobo.
话哎。
In the gift
How
horse's
cool.
mouth. Just a small gulp away.
泡泡，
Might be. I like it a lot, brother. Come back later, Kobo. Amuse yourself with.
You touch the dead man's
干
body.，
我马上就知道
His
自己
skin
决
is
定失
cold,
败。
light blue.
It'll come to you sooner or later. At least he's safe here until then.
啊？ 这是发电机
Two
吧？
cables are plugged into the breaker box. The red one leads to the ice bear fridge, and the black one to the ice cream maker near something close to you.
Why did you do that?
The lieutenant raises his brows. Somewhere, a machine hums along with the current.
干，好疯狂哦！干，好恶哦！感觉跳舞的时候才会穿那种黄眼的背心哦。又有鼻通灵跟钱，钱很重要。OK。
A few bricks have fallen off, revealing a compartment behind the wall. It's too dark to see in.
Seems like an old bunker from the revolution. There is, yes. And there also appears to
洞
be
里面
something
好
inside.
像有东西。
Interesting. Do you want to take a look?
我让金去看好像有点靠背，我还是自己
Your
去看
hand。reaches deep into darkness and spider webs. Rummaging around, you find rusty
跟他
rifles.
讲一下，这是步枪，
Most of them are rusty and inoperable, like the rest.
吸引你
But
的。
one catches your
哇，
eye.
在这个
Bolt
黑暗的
action
洞穴里
model
面
with a fine
刮
wood
到了一
stock
把
in
步
better
枪。
cosmetic order. Take it. You're a police officer.
That's a rare sight. Seems to no longer be functional, but still a beautiful thing. It means there are firearms, albeit inoperable, still lying around in Martin.
He likes this find.
Yes， 他喜欢这个发现，我也喜欢发现一把步枪。有一把步枪，其实说实在，听起来在这个城镇里面很猛。
A thick layer of coal dust. Looks like this furnace has a face. And it's
金
a
这是什么？
face
是壁
of
炉吗
agony.？
我们蔡壁炉吗？我们这主角看到每个东西都想问一下，这是什么？是壁炉吗？这是什么？冰淇淋制造机？这冰箱吗？好，我还是问一下好了。
Looks like no one has used it in ages. No signs of any recent fire. Only death.
It's dark and grimy here.
What are you doing? Wait, really? We should investigate, see if someone's upstairs.
Something breaks loose in you.
我操！
You've awakened the entity.
竟然有东西可以回我话。
Hello? Did you say anything? I can't hear you. Please.
You hear a low rumble up.
After you, officer. You're right. The rooms do look like they're connected.
Then what was the chatter you heard? A lush layer of coal. You feel the spirit of Ramut Karzai, ancient hero of
我把
Gra,
煤灰把手
pulsing
弄
through
脏，
you. All that's
好，
left
他
is
就
to cover your face in war
就
paint.
说我会有一些奇怪的想法，然后再把它抹到脸上。我觉得我应该不会这样做，抹抹看。
Three dangerous stripes appear.
What are you doing?
我是也很故意的嘛，暂时的话
Please wipe your face clean, officer. Thank you.
还是先擦掉好了。
Where were we?
用脚踢它，感觉会有问题。之后如果调查不到东西，再回来这里好了。他刚刚说要去2楼，先去找那个昆诺好了。
Kuno's like Kuno's dad. Kuno doesn't.
You see a set of tire tracks. An old call box with a mate.
我要怎么去2楼啊？ 今天的任务就是把这个尸体塞进冰箱，然后我们就结束今天的旅程嘛。问一下他怎么去2楼。
What have you found? Okay, but please, only a few questions. You wouldn't want to disturb. Yes, I've contacted numerous. The wards help to keep the doom at bay and protect us against the darkness that lies further in the building. Even though now I fear it's not enough. Oh, this. No, there are numerous spells cast throughout the store. I had the book. Yes, the simonees are very The curse. It's the curse of fire.
Didn't that curtain just move?
Everyone knows that all the previous companies in this building have sooner or later declared bankruptcy. And they're malicious. There's something wrong with this
他因为一
building,
点
I
风
can tell
吹
you.
草动，就
Ever
觉得这
since
是
I
诅咒。
arrived, I
Sounds familiar.
不对劲是什么？到了这里，我感觉到超可怕的存在，这里是多余的。
Truly so? Perhaps the dark energies are leeching. It's not good to talk about the curse.
Such wraiths may prove a formidable enemy. The woman looks aloof.
所以我要怎么去楼上啊？这个地图应该在这里。
Several maps. The maps look old and fake. The north cut to the east. Hudon. It's so no. This large Ozon in the northeast, radiating outwards from you.
等一下，
The
我在看什
suzerain
么？
River Shore. With a
这份大
radius
地
of
图
80
上显示
kilometers,
所有的群
still
岛，
the crown
北
jewel
卡
of this
油旁边
Isola。would be barely visible.
嗯。
You can, on Caillou, River Shore, a single black star, on Ozon, find the lost little pearls of the ocean
大概
breaks
就是讲一
apart
些我们这
into
个
a
城
tangle
市
of
吧。
cosines and azimuths, all pointing
萨
into
马拉
pale
位于东
nothingness.
角，西奥位于西
Windy
角，他们都
is
叫做
connections to other
与
worlds.
其他的世
Words
界
past
联系。
instant, you have little idea
你
what
根本不
they
知道它
are,
是什么遥远的星星
distant
长
stars,
明，让你几乎感觉到无处不在。
but perhaps they are gods, gods of distance and
马
outer
丁内
dust.
斯地图，
It's not really a map. It's a tourist thing.
美术透视
Picture，postcard
美术明信片，
with
等
buildings
角
on it.
透视。
Still, it's
哦
detailed.
等角
Could
透
be
视画
pretty useful for scouting.
I'm sorry, officer. The map of Martinez is the only one of. They're quite valuable, though they might not look it. The map of Martinez is 90 cents, though. That old thing? It's an out-of-date map of a tourist location from when some design studio people tried to spruce the place up 4 or 5 years ago. They didn't get that far, for some reason.
哇哦，
A
把它
shame
偷
the
走。
project never got going. Would be nice if someone fixed Martinez up. Always good to be informed of your surroundings.
Yeah man， 地图资讯已然过时，标语写着欢迎来到瑞瓦肖。哦。
The worn map features the patchwork grid of the streets of Martinez. Your finger moves through the various streets,
哇，我还是手
across
指这样
Rue de Songs Lane, and finally coming to a halt on the spot.
For a more detailed view of the map, go to your
Oh yes， 我有地图了吗 ？Oh man，Oh man，我可以快速旅行吗？渔人小屋。哦，我不能知道自己是。Oh man， 我有地图了。永恒之板。付费电话。
This bookstore is not strictly about crime, romance. Amidst the point of the book, and many others on this shelf, is to give people medicinal advice in situations, various paranatural books.
不想看。啊，那我们不能把它捡起来。好，今天就玩到这里吧。我们这个地图打开，把尸体冰进去冰箱。大概玩了 40分钟左右，希望明天能够去拔到那个妹子，不要跟这个男生一直在这边讲话。我走路的时候会摇头啊！先把铁球拿给那2个在玩铁球的人好了。
Officer! God damn it. Pull yourself together, Rene. What is this? Are you mocking?
Now. No need to get angry again, Rene. I'm sure the officer tried his best. It's not like there's a bull kiosk here in Martinez.
再跟他道歉一次吗？不要，一直跟人家道歉。
That's how it is, huh?
Yay.
I guess you did attempt to right your hooliganism. Consider it forgiven.
As Rene turns from you to his
28%
partner,
成功。
the medals on his chest rattle in two. The larger one is shaped like a cross, a crowned head in front of 2 crossed rifles. The medal hangs from a small blue star inside it.
For bravery.
It's a conflicted topic for the old veteran. There must have been a number of controversial episodes in his service days.
For doing my duty in the heat of battle. For looking my mortality in the eye. When men...
He saved some muddy princeling who foolishly strolled into the front line in his gown of velvet and gold.
It was on the first months of the revolution here in Revachol.
简单来讲，他救了一个小王公。小王公是什么？
King Frisel.
为什么你可以这么如此骄傲的战争？我救了一个小王公。于是派出了他的堂兄弟。简单来讲，他应该是救了一个贵族吧？我靠！
Even his rifle was gold-plated.
Purple velvet tunic.
紫色天鹅绒
Keep the
长
long
袍
and。bloody story short. Drisson
建
marched
军
us
克
against the
隆，这
partisans
听
in
起来像现
Toulon.
在会有的第一名。
When I say marched, I mean the rebels were smart. They let us come real close before opening fire. Suffice to say, it was carnage.
肯定是一场血战，这种时候都要讲一些话，然后让他觉得他自己很厉害，
I got shot in the left shoulder and went
然后
down.
倒下了。
Just a flesh wound. But just as I turned over, then his horse, driven mad by the noise and smell of gunpowder, stepped on.
It's painful to even think. Hang on to the story. Veterans get
这类副
sentimental
老
after
兵会变得
such
多愁善感。
retellings. This might yield something useful.
I grabbed my sidearm and shot the beast in the head. Then
Capitaine Arnaud, le fléau des chevaux.
马之灾祸，
when I came to, it was all over.
只
It
剩
was
下
just me and Jolas
就站
Brisson.
在
The Dink had taken numerous flesh wounds and lost a lot of blood. But despite missing his jaw, he seemed hesitant to die. Tougher than he looked, that one.
这种时候再夸一下。
So I grabbed the Dink and started crawling. Kept going until through some miracle. He was the commanding officer and I was on juty.
没必要
Just
给我
doing my
颁
job.
发奖章。
You
这种
sense
时候
he's
是这样
downplayed.
谦虚，说一下
He did a lot
这就是只是
more
我
than his
军职
duty.
而已，
More
所以
than
这奖章
anyone's duty.
白颁发了，干
It's
明明
in
就
his
很爽。
spine, in his billowing breasts, and untarnished self-worth.
这种时候我要讲，听起来你很谦虚吗？还是要让他这种时候干？
The
再讲一
old
下。
Carabiner.
What Monseigneur Modesty is not
好
that
像
even
回来
while
了。
crawling with mangled of the
Is that pride in his voice? It's deep down, but
哦，
maybe even unbeknownst to the man himself, it's there.
这种时候要怎么讲啊？没什么感觉。好，我要来讲，等一下，我要直接戳破他。
Sorry, officer, but you're reading me all wrong. How did you find the story to be, officer?
我觉得超赞的啊！
Maybe, but oh no, you have to get shot.
Do not speak of what you know nothing about, Outrun. Bah! There were many such stories in those days.
Oh yes, René,
真正有
yes.
骨气的
Men
魏
were bigger,
魏娃
girls
小
were
人。
prettier, and everyone wore the fascia.
I'm not getting into this with you.
You should try to come up with a heroic story of your own. Impress this old soldier.
雷内给你叫故弄玄虚，我好像有这个技能呢、故弄玄虚有我点可是不知道为什么成功率都蛮低的。好了，今天先玩到这里，明天再来问他枪有什么有用的地方。好，先这样。